Paolo Avellino, nag-react sa comment na, mas gwapo, kaysa Park Seo-joon. Marami ang nakakapansin ng chemistry ni Paolo Avellino at Kim Chiu, lalo na sa pinagbibidahan nilang teleserye na What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, WWWSK, kaya naman diretsahan tinanong ng Pep.ph, Philippine Entertainment Portal, si Paolo kung masasabi niyang perfect rom-com partner si Kim. Aniya, I think everyone has been saying that queen of, well, hindi siguro queen, pero forte. Forte niya ang rom-com. But here, I would say, she's different in a way. It's not like her past rom-com roles na all out. Here, more subdued, more mature, so makikita nila iyon. Kung ang pagbabasehan ng mga nakakasama raw nila ni Kim sa taping ng WWWSK, may mga nakakapansin ng closeness at sweetness daw nilang dalawa. Mula sa linlang na nasundan agad ng WWWSK, gaano na siya ka-comfortable kay Kim. Masasabi niya kayang kilalang-kilala na niya ang leading lady. Well, halos araw-araw ko siyang katrabaho, natawang sabi niya. I won't say na totally know her, but I think, I know her well enough na rin. Bilang aktor na nalinya sa mga seryosong drama, bago para kay Paolo ang teleserye na What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Nagpilot na ang Philippine adaptation ng sikat na K-drama, at palabas na ito ngayon sa Viu. The show has been previewed and I think, viewers are happy so far with what we shot, bulalas ni Paolo sa panayam ng Pep.ph. I'm excited actually for the viewers to watch What's Wrong with Secretary Kim because it's so different. It's so different actually with the projects I did before it like Linlang and some of the other projects. Panipi Tuldok, paglalarawan ni Paolo sa romantic comedy series na pinagbibidahan nila ni Kim Chiu, ito naman, rom-com and it's different. It's cute, it's inspiring and it's very. I think, the term that they always use is, it's feel good. Parang ngayon na lang siya gumawa talaga ng rom-com. It's different, sabi niyang muli. I always say nga that I don't want to box myself with one specific genre. It's always a blessing when I get to tackle different characters. And you've seen my interviews before. I always say that I want something new, something I haven't done before. At ito na nga po sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, nakagawa ako. Based naman sa mga komento sa online at social media, may mga nagsasabi na side by side. Mas gwapo raw si Paolo kaysa kay Park Seo-joon, ang orihinal na Korean actor na gumanap bilang chairman. May nagsasabi rin na mas magaling ding umarte si Paolo. Hindi naman, natawang sabi niya. But, I've seen the side by side kasi minsan we do that sa set. Minsan may mga iconic scene na I'm sure hahanapin ng mga fan ng mga What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Mas pogi siya. Hindi naman, nakangiting sagot na lang ni Paolo.